Johnny Depp has been cited in the UK. He was not obviously there in the courtroom because of a previous engagement in the UK. He's playing with Jeff Beck, doing some concerts. And somebody saw him at a pub and posted this.
Love you, Johnny. We love you, Johnny. We love Johnny. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. I love you.
So, Michael, his life, as he said, is back. He feels that, to your point earlier, this isn't about the money. This was about that moment, right? It's that ability for him to be Johnny Depp again and not be wife beater. He's back to being movie star. He's won.
Well, yeah, maybe he'll be back to being a movie star. But on the other side of that, as you know, Ted, a lot of stuff came out about his state of inebriation, you know, is what he ingests, what he puts into what he calls the temple, the body, you know, the drugs he puts in, the alcohol he puts in. But I couldn't help but thinking, here's a guy that's an absolute genius at acting. And what he did in the Pirates of the Caribbean, what he added to that movie, what he came up with was sheer genius. And I kept thinking, man, is it the drugs you take that allow you to go there to get that genius? Because drugs were splashed all over this trial, and
but he didn't care about that.
No, he didn't.
And that
but
I think is what endured him. People, he was honest, right? He wasn't necessarily proud,
no question,
but he was honest about it.
No question he was honest about it. But here we are. We're at Disney, and we go, wait a minute, we got an actor that says all this. Are we really going to put him in our movies now? You know, they have to give that a double thought. But again, you know, movies are
but he's not. He's no longer the wife beater, written off, post Harvey Weinstein. Just filing this, I think he won out of the gate. Now, the jury did side with Amber Heard on one of the her counterclaims. Let's listen to the portion of the verdict that the jury had a problem with in terms of what Johnny Depp's attorney told the Daily Mail. Here it is.
In accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 on Mr. Depp's award, okay?
As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
That was the only win, Michael, for Amber Heard with the decisions of the jury, but significant, something to take away, I guess, from this. Overall, do you think there are long-lasting effects of this trial? You talked about it a little bit last hour. Does this jury, they didn't evaluate every case of domestic violence. They were just evaluating this trial. And do you think it's a disservice to expand it past that, even though this trial had eyeballs around the globe?
Of course it's a disservice to do that. To have her team come out and say, this will affect all victims of spousal abuse or violence in the future. What a bunch of baloney. No, you take these cases individually. But I'll tell you what, Ted,